Today I'm going to tell you a story about a simple, extremely simple e-commerce brand that from 2019 till now went from literally zero to $500 million in valuation. That sounds insane. I can't even imagine $500 million. But the brand that I'm talking about is called True Classic. Now, before we begin here, I just want to say we're this close to 100K. My name's Arie, and we make videos like this all the time, basically every day. And it would be really cool if you subscribed to the channel before 100K and joined our family. Okay, so the store is called True Classic, and as the name states, and as you see on my screen, they literally just sell t-shirts, like blank t-shirts. That's all they sell. I'm not even kidding. And in 2019, they decided to start this brand and have been able to scale it to a $500 million valuation. Now, there's a lot of really cool things going on with this store, but it really is insane to me how you can start with such a simple idea and take it to this level. I don't know, it just speaks a lot about compound interest and like how much upside there is to a brand, especially with the world of e-commerce. Now, if we take a look at their traffic here, we can confirm that this brand is continuing to explode in popularity. Literally in February, they were getting 900,000 monthly visitors, and now in July, they're getting 2.3 million monthly visitors. So they've almost 3x'd their traffic in the last few months. I was able to find this brand through Instagram, and their Instagram is pretty clean. However, this just goes to show here that Instagram engagement doesn't always really tell a full story, because clearly they're not getting a ton of engagement on Instagram, yet they're still valued like insanely, right? I actually confirmed that they're valued at that through this article on Yahoo Finance. I think they're a publicly traded company now. Now, just to provide some value to some of you that are building businesses, which is probably a large majority of you, let me show you some great conversion optimization hacks that they're using. So if we click on a shirt here, let's say the staple 6-pack t-shirt pack, and we add it to cart, we can actually see one big thing that they're doing is if you have over $100 of things in your cart, they have this free shipping bar at the top. There's a ton of Shopify apps, by the way, that allow you to do these things, and this is why Shopify is, in my opinion, the best choice for creating any sort of online business. I literally use Shopify for everything. Even our agency website is on Shopify because most of the stores that we work with and the stores under our umbrella are on Shopify. But that's a huge hack. And for those of you that don't think this is a Shopify store, let me show you the checkout. Does this look familiar? If any of you have had Shopify stores, you probably know that this is literally the Shopify checkout. It looks extremely basic. It doesn't even look like they have Shopify Plus. And luckily for me, I'm an official Shopify partner now, so I got my own exclusive Shopify link in the description that you can use. But let me show you something interesting here. This brand is starting to post a lot on YouTube Shorts. This is something that I've been telling a lot of our clients, and something that I've been obviously using myself is, man, the YouTube Shorts algorithm is really popping off. Like, if you're not taking advantage of YouTube Shorts, you're slacking. You need to start posting all of your TikTok content, your reel content on YouTube Shorts as well. Otherwise, you're just missing out on a ton of free impressions. But unsurprisingly, this brand's major point of success is just running ads. So they're running a ridiculous amount of Facebook ads, and I'm sure now they're starting to tap into TikTok. They've tapped into YouTube ads. They've basically created an omnipresent approach, which that's obviously what works best. But yeah, this was just a cool little story of a very simple idea that turned out to be something insanely successful. I'm sure the people who even started the store didn't think that it could reach this level, or never really thought about reaching these sorts of levels, but they just kept scaling and scaling and scaling. And look at them now. They're about to build $1 billion blank t-shirt business. Who would have thought? So hopefully this served as good motivation. This is basically all I got. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.